Hi friends, I have been trying to book appointment for Malta work permit. I had the visa in principal approval letter and all, but I was facing this error. I am creating this video because I know there are thousands of people who are trying to book an appointment via the new VFS Malta link, and they are getting an error like you will have to wait for 5 hours to continue another booking. And whenever you call the VFS support, they will tell you clear cache and cookies and try after 1 hour or 2 hours. So I have contacted VFS and the customer care via email, Twitter and all the possible means. And there was nothing done. But today, I again tried to book an appointment and I called VFS support. And they said, the reason why you get the 5 hour waiting period is that because of that, whenever you try to book an appointment, you will need to add a 0 before your passport number and try from a different computer or a laptop. Okay, don't use the same equipment. Try from a different computer with a different IP, different internet connection. I mean different IP address, and clear also your cache and cookies and try from a different browser. I strongly recommend that you try it on Firefox and Google Chrome. Do not use any other browser. So make sure of you clear the cache and cookies and the history and all the saved web search history from Google Chrome and Firefox. And whenever you try to book the next time, please add a 0 before your passport number. So this information is provided to me from VFS, and you can override that error, the 5 hour waiting period error. So again, also make sure that your credit or debit card is enabled for international transactions. If your credit card or debit card is not enabled for international transactions, the amount will not be debited in euros. So go to your mobile banking application and enable international transactions. And by following all these techniques, you can easily book an appointment via the VFS Malta new website. I am including more details in the description. So please have a look and start your appointment today. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day.